Video. Hello, fellow traders. You are welcome again to this is Forex Analysis. I am senior boy HB200FX, the only Forex trader who has your bet a mission, and that mission is always to decomplexify, decomplicate. I've come again to share my ideas concerning Euro USD, Euro Dollar. I am looking to buy this pair, but as a trader, if you have been following me, you will know that before I, HB200FX, click any buy or any sell. What is called the four W's ought to be sorted out and sorted out effectively. These four W's are the four questions that are meant to be answered efficiently before clicking any buy or any sell. And what are the four W's? They are number one. Why is it that I want to buy this pair Euro USD? What is the substantial evidence of buying this pair? Where will I buy this pair and when to buy this pair, which is the last and not the least W's. Fellow traders, as you journey with me to the monthly time frame, you will understand the rationales, that is, the reasons behind my preparation for buying this pair Euro USD. And now this is the monthly time frame. Now on the monthly time frame, what is happening in this pair? First of all, I will show you the zones in this monthly time frame. Now, what is happening in this pair? We can clearly see what an uptrend. How is this an uptrend? It is an uptrend because the price is giving us what? A higher high and higher lows. What is a higher high and what is a higher low? You understand? Well are they? They are here. I will show you right away. First of all, let me show you the zones. Now, this is a monthly upper zone, this is the midway zone, and this is the lower zone. What is happening? The price was a downtrend, but it is now an uptrend. Price gave us here lower low, but when the price got to this lower high, the sellers failed to bring the price down to equal lows. Who took control? The bulls took control and took the price to higher high. After higher high, they came down for higher low. The price ranged for some months before it finally broke out of the range. Now, since the price is broken out of this range, where is the price heading to? The price now is heading to the next place of sensitivity, which is the higher high. You see, the price, first of all, when you look carefully, you will see a bearish words this thing signal here telling us that the price may come down. It gave us an evening star. You understand? This evening star ought to bring this price back to this place. But sellers failed. Instead, the price has given us a beautiful morning star. And after the beautiful morning star, we can clearly see what? A significant pin bar forming bullishly. This significant pin bar is capable of taking this price to the next place of sensitivity, which is the next higher high, before any other motivity will be achieved in this price action. You understand? So the price is heading to this place of sensitivity. So this means that this monthly time frame is telling us to do what? To capitalize with the bulls so that we can continually push the price upwardly. But how are we going to buy this pair? Because we have other time frames to confirm or rather understand from. So this is where we need to go over to weekly time frame for more clarification in this price. Now, what is happening in this weekly time frame? You understand? We are seeing again an uptrend. How is this an uptrend? It is an uptrend because it is giving us a higher, higher, higher low. It gave us higher high. The price came down for higher low. It gave us another higher high. The price raised the wow. This was the same thing that we saw at that monthly time frame. This was the evening star that wanted to bring the price down, but unfortunately for them, they were unable to bring the price down to this level. Instead, the bulls are still in control. And when you look carefully, what can you see? The price is at the weekly resistance level. So since the price is at the weekly resistance level, how are we intending or how do we intend to buy this pair? Because we know quite all right as a swing trader that weekly resistance level carries a lot of sellers pressure. That is bears pleasure. How are we going to buy this pair? We will buy this pair when we go to daily time frame. We will see clearly on it. But before we go to daily time frame, we can clearly see what a beautiful morning star closed, because the week ended the day before yesterday. Today is Sunday by the grace of God. So the week ended on Friday, you see, and this candle is closed and it is so beautiful. Look at the beautiful morning star here. So this beautiful morning star here, what is this significant? This is telling us that the price is going up. This morning star is capable, has the capability of pushing the price upwardly till they get to this place of sensitivity, which is the next weekly resistance level. You see, so we need to confirm again from other time frame for us to, before we can buy this pair. Now over to daily time frame, and now this is the daily time frame. You see, now this is the daily upper zone, the midway zone, and lower zone. What is happening? We can see clearly now the structure of the price action. You can see when you look carefully, you can discover what the price is broken above this daily resistance level. At the weekly, we saw that the price is at the weekly resistance level because we cannot clearly see it at the weekly resistance level. You see, but coming to this daily time frame, we can clearly see that the price is broken above this daily resistance level. Where is the price going? The price now is going to retest another higher high before it can come back for higher low technically. You see, how then do we buy this pair? We will buy this pair when we get to 4H time frame. And now this is 4H time frame. Now, this 4H, how are we going to buy this pair? You see, we can only buy this pair as the price has broken above this 4H resistance level. It will go up to the next resistance level. Now, this one is now support level because the price has broken above it. The price now, when the market opens today by God's grace, the price will go up to this 4K resistance level, come back and retest. Make sure you buy with candle confirmation. What are the candle confirmation for buying? They are: number one, bullish engulfing candle, a morning star, or a significant pin bar bullishly. If you can spot any of this candle at this level, you can gently buy this pair because technically it has to buy. This has come to be what the full and final technical analysis on Euro USD. I wish each and every one of you a profitable week ahead. Do not forget the code. And what is that code? The most beautiful setup is yet to come. What are you going to do then? Risk as much as you can afford to lose. What can you afford to lose? You can afford to lose 1%, 2%, or maximally 5% of your account because the most beautiful setup is yet to come. God bless you and see you soon as market is opening in few hours to come.